Welcome. In front of me I have Essebtielb HeYou 60 and I will show you camera top tricks. And first I'm going to talk about features that you can find in the settings, and after that I will talk about all modes that we have here in the smartphone. So to enter the settings you have to click on the more and tap on the icon. And as you can see, when we are in the settings we can quickly change the picture size, the picture quality. So currently it's set at 12 megapixels, we can go for the 48, and with that we will get definitely better quality of our photos. We can also change quickly video quality from HD to Full HD, and also we can activate video stabilization. There's electric image stabilization, so it's always worth to get it. We can also change the volume button function. So currently it's set up on the shutter, so when you click volume down or volume up button, we will take photo, but I can recommend you to switch to the volume and take a look how great it works right now. When you press the volume up or volume down button, you can smoothly zoom in. Take a look. Wait, I just enter for that mode, but right now, okay, there is probably some kind of a bug, because in normal cases when you change volume button function, oh sorry guys, I just switched to the volume, not to the zoom. So you have to pick zoom and take a look right now. When I press volume up button, I'm going to smoothly zoom in and zoom out by pressing volume down button. So it's definitely more easier than pinching screen with two fingers. And let's go back for the settings, because maybe we can find here also something interesting. And yeah, there it is, the Gridlines. So when you enable Gridlines, we are able to make a better composition of our photos with that help Gridlines. We can also activate location tags on the photos. So when you tap on the switcher, then go for the settings, enable location by tapping on the switcher, and then just go back. Take a look when you take a photo, just like that. And when you go for the details of that photo, we will get the exact location where the photo was taken. So as you can see, here it is. There's the location of our photo. And that's all from the settings. Right now I'm going to talk about the modes. So in the modes we got the timer. So when you tap right here and click, for example, for the 2 and tap on the shutter, we will get photo after 2 seconds. So it's great when you use something like tripod or selfie stick and you want to take the group photo. Very nice and useful feature. Let me just clean my screen because there's a lot of fingerprints. Yeah, okay, the photo was taken. And here we got the portrait mode. So there is, the normal photo mode, but we can set the depth on the photo by moving the switcher, just like that. And there's also the wide lens in the smartphone, so we can basically catch more details, I mean more objects in the photo. And when you go for the other modes, we can find here, for example, the super macro mode. So we have to be for the 4 centimeters from the object, so just like that we can take it. So as you can see, there's photo taken with this mode. Honestly, it doesn't look good, but maybe you will know how to use it better. We can also quickly add filters to our photo, so we don't have to download any external application. You can just simply use this one, and as you can see, when you take a photo, there we got the different colors. Oh my god, there is this timer. Sorry guys, I'm going to turn it off. And there we can change the mode, so we can pick the monochromatic photo, and maybe also this instant. So take a look, we can quickly add the filters to the photo, and I hope that you will find it useful because you don't have to download any external application. And also we can find here the manual mode that you can change a lot of value, but if you don't know how to use it, just take a look on our YouTube channel when we make a video about the Pro mode. And I think that's all from the interesting options in this camera and that smartphone. And if you find it tutorial useful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.